Hey y'all, good morning. It is 7:06 a.m. It's Tuesday, February 27. It is February 27, 7:07. How are you guys? I hope everyone's doing okay. Running up. Move! Dang it! A little late this morning because I was just tired. I got up earlier and then you know how we do. Well, I knew by now. Then decided to lay back down. You know, I was like, I'll lay back down till 6 o'clock. And when I got up, lo and behold, it was 6:27. So I hopped on up, started to get, saying my prayers, started to get myself together. And as always, got sidetracked and started cleaning up some stuff because I have to donate today. So y'all know the days that I have to donate, I'm really extra careful about making sure everything's clean because I don't want to come home tired having to clean up or do anything. So if I don't have to. So yeah, I got up. I already had to straighten up a bit. I wiped down the whole, not the entire apartment, but the couches, the counter, the stand that the TV is sitting on, the walkway, the entrance when you walk in, the stand that I have standing there. I just wiped down everything with some Fabulosa. Smells good. I mopped the kitchen floor. Got a few dishes that was in the sink. Tried to rinse out the pink or the red candy that melted in the vase that I had with those doggone water beads. So yeah, I was doing a lot this morning. And so when I got through wiping down the couch, I looked at the time and it was 7 o'clock. So, and my alarm was going off. So I figured, you know what? Let me just talk to y'all while I make my coffee right quick, Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Hey. Ho. Hey. Ho. Happy Tuesday. So yeah, I'm making my coffee. Let me show you guys. I just washed my face. I didn't put anything on it yet. I'm going to, but I haven't. My eyes are so irritated. I just put my contact lens back in the right one. But yeah, my eyes are so irritated. Yeah, I want to scratch them so bad, rub them. Yeah, I know I need to get some more contacts as well at this point. But yeah, they're irritated because I keep rubbing my eyes. I keep rubbing my eyes because they're irritated, if that makes sense. But I do have to get some more contacts. This one is drying up in my right eye. No matter what I seem to do. Hold on one moment, y'all. All right. Forgive me, you guys. I'll probably have to cut that out. I went and took that. I just took the contact out, let it soak in the solution. I'll wait till I get ready to go donate. To worry about putting it in my eye if I need it. Because it was just irritating. Woo! And right now my face is on fire because it was so dry when I washed it. I didn't put anything on it. That I just decided when I looked in the bathroom, all this was white. It was so dry. And I told my daughter, y'all, my skin looked like, have y'all ever seen a turtle neck? You know, a real live turtle's neck or leg? That weird looking skin. That's what my face looks like right now. Especially around my eyes. All this is just bruised. It looks like, you know how you have bags under your eyes? That's what it looks like. So I do have some bags. But this is worse. And purple, as y'all can see, is going all the way around. It burns so bad with the cream. But I had to put something on. Let me ask you, I think I asked this before. I had to look it up. I keep forgetting to look it up. But what is it that when your eyes run, your nose run? I don't know what it is. Sometimes when I be having issues with my eyes, my nose start running. That's the weirdest thing to me. Okay. Y'all don't know why as of late I've been making my coffee like this. Y'all been seeing me do it for a while here and there. I don't know why it's just kind of relaxing. It's just pretty relaxing to me for some reason. I gotta remember to bring a little tissue in here. I try to keep tissue in the kitchen as well. I always was never run out of paper towels, so lately I can't even seem to remember to pick them up. So I'm gonna taste my coffee as it is before I put the cream in it. Yeah. I wanted to make sure it was strong enough. And it is. Sorry guys, my eye keep and put my creamer in. Try not to do so much cream. I go through it so fast. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave because once I put the creamer in, it's not hot. Alright, that part's done. I already restarted my computer, so all I have to do now, I finish with my coffee and stuff, is wait till it's time and then start logging in everything. Let me just make sure it's 100% my phone, so I should not have an issue logging in. See, my tablet is on 91%, that's fine. On my last break of the day, I will make sure to recharge everything. Everything that needs to be charged that I normally, take with me. Okay, 7:17. Let me go get my coffee, guys. I'll be right back. have to log in. Guys, let me end it here at 7:17. I need to help Jeremiah with something. So by the time I come back, it'll be time for me to log in. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a great Tuesday morning. That's why I'm laying on the couch trying to watch TV. Do y'all hear that? That's hell outside. Hailing. Wow. So hot in here, and I'm on the side, so you would think the rain wouldn't even be hitting, the hell wouldn't even be hitting that window, so it must be coming down edge like sideways or something. Wow. Did y'all hear that? I hope I don't have no crack in my windshield.